REBN Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at Reborn Coffee. We're sitting at $2.21. It is 35% up. Now, Reborn Coffee, ticker that's around not even 10M market cap, is not something that I'm particularly like proud to say that I'm just trading. No, I don't think that I'm even going to trade this. But again, from my previous 35,000 videos experience, and again, just having thousands of correct predictions, I've documented it all. Nobody else has done it 35,000 times. But yeah, I just absolutely love how it started to pick up. Eventually, like it's... Although like I'm not looking to like immediately buy or anything, but if it's volatile and my rules are met inside my demand area, you bet that I'm going to take things up. But like all I'm trying to say is that unless the rules are met, I'm just not going to buy. You know, everything else is just going to be noise in my eyes, which I'm not going to detect. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.